What's up, team? How we doing today? So it's kind of like a weird position to film, like they're my fucking steering wheel. But I am driving, I'm leaving the gym. Yeah. I'm gonna be making videos again because I got some plans for the e46, and I think it's gonna come together slowly but surely, but it needs to be done before August. So, I mean, over the course of the next few months, I will be recording, documenting everything that I do with this car. I also have a friend's Miata that we're dropping a new motor in because some shit happened to it. Just wait for that video, y'all are gonna be mind blown. My brother's doing some crazy shit with his Miata. He just got a side exit exhaust. He's building a motor for a turbo at the moment. There's like so much shit that's like happening, like all in this like short time period, that like I have to document it, and like my car is just gonna like be changed from like what it is now to something completely different, and I think it's gonna be sick. But as of right now, I'm heading to the exhaust place because I need to get a V-band installed that I ordered from Vibrant. So I got a Vibrant V-band that I need to put on, and depending on how much it's gonna cost me, I might change my muffler or not, because I kind of want a carbon TR. Right now I just have like a MagnaFlow on it, and like it's just like not loud enough for me. It's like has the right kind of tone, just not the right volume. And I want to see if maybe a muffler would change it up, and then when I go callous, it would definitely change up the volume a bit. So that's that. I'm gonna go home right now, change my clothes, and head there. So I'll see you guys. Alright, y'all, here it is for you. V-band's installed, getting ready for some work we're doing on Saturday, which I give a little hint in the video. Just zoomed in a little bit. It's gonna look good. I kind of been waiting for this for a while, so I'm gonna make a video on this on Saturday. Probably have a friend film it because we're gonna have a ton of work to do, so I can't be focused on filming and shit. But yeah, so the V-band's installed so we can remove the exhaust and do the work. I know this video was short, but thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and keep fucking watching these shits because they're coming. They're getting bigger and better, I promise.